How to switch back to Instagram personal account from business account on Android. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. This is Rose and I'll guide you on how to switch back to Instagram personal account from business account on Android. Watch the video till the end and without further delay, let's begin. First of all, make sure that you update Instagram from Play Store. Now tap to launch Instagram. Sign in to your account. Navigate to profile icon at bottom right. Now you can see the professional dashboard. That means we have switched on the professional account on Instagram. To switch to personal account, tap three-line icon at top right. Scroll down. Look for the option of Creator Tools and Controls and scroll down. Now tap on Switch Account Type and tap on Switch to Personal Account. From this menu, select Switch to Personal Account to confirm. And with this, when you go back to your profile feed, you will no longer see the professional dashboard. So you can see that we have successfully switched back to Instagram personal account from business account on Android. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video.